and welcome back to RareRoo Crafts. I'm Sarah. Today is the 11th and that means it's Embellishments on the 11th. This is one of my favourite days of the month. I love making embellishments and I love seeing everybody else's embellishments. This is a collaboration hosted by the lovely Deb Houck of Deb Houck's Crafty Cottage, and every month we make embellishments, trying to use up what we've got in our stash, in our scrap bins, that sort of thing, and we share them for inspiration with others. So there will be lots of links in the description box below this video for all of the other fantastic crafters that are part of this collaboration. So what have I been making this month? Well, I decided that I would go with a Valentine's theme. It's February. I thought that Valentine's would be appropriate. So first off, I created these really cute sort of little rosette type embellishments. And to make these, I have taken a wooden heart. These were a great big pack of wooden hearts for a couple of pounds from Hobbycraft last year sometime. I think they were actually in the wedding section. But I took those to use as the base for this piece. On the back of that, I have just hot glued some of this lovely trim that I got from Ali. Two are obviously in the pink and two are in the red. They've got this lovely gold edging to the trim, which I thought matched nicely with the sequins inside the little shakers. So I've glued all of that down, and then I've glued on top of that, I've glued these lovely shakers. These were from Hobbycraft. They were actually 25p for a pack of 8, I think it was, after Valentine's Day last year, and I just bought them and popped them in my stash. So I thought I would pop some on. So I've just glued those on top of the wooden heart, and then popped these little rhinestones, the gold rhinestones, off to the corner there. And then I have put the little sentiments from the Tim Holtz. I've got glue strings everywhere, so I keep pushing glue strings off. Yeah, I just picked some nice sentiments that I'd got left in my occasions small chat from Tim Holtz that again were just in my stash. I've had them for ages, and I just popped a little bit of hot glue on the very tip of the wooden heart, and then I've just layered that lovely sentiment across there, and I think that makes a plain wooden white heart look something just a little bit cuter. I really like that. So those were my first 4. Then I decided I wanted to do something with these. So I got these, I think they came from Ali, and I've had them probably 2 years and never done anything with them. So I decided I would just have a little play with those. And I didn't do too much, to be fair. I've just added on a little piece of ephemera. Now this is crepe paper, I think. It's digital ephemera. I bought some from AC Digitals and I printed them off. I've laminated, some I've done with shiny, some I've done with matte, and then I just fussy cut them. And I just used little bits of the ephemera, stuck those off onto the right hand side of the heart. I'd got these lovely cupped flower sequins in my stash that, again, I've had them for ages and I've just not found any projects that they work on, but they worked quite well on this. So I just put some little green leaves that I die cut in the background there, put the little sequin flower over the top, and again stuck a little gem in the centre of those flowers. Again, I've got some of the little sentiments from the Chit Chat book, and I've popped either a little heart or some more of the little diamante type gem things on, and I thought they were really cute just to hang on a card or hang on the side of a little package. I just thought they were really cute, so I did 4 of those. Then I did some cameras, so I decided to sort of more or less steer clear of the die cuts this month and just do something a little bit different. I do love making embellishments out of die cuts, but I thought I would go for something a little bit different this month. So these ones I made using these wood chip things. These were, I think they were from the range. I think I got a pack from the range again last year, maybe even the year before. I got a bag with quite a few in. So all I did was take some alcohol markers and colour the main body, you know, in different colours. I've done the centrepiece there in silver, and then the little flash piece I did in silver. On the flash piece, I've just laid down some tacky glue, and then I've put some diamond dust down, which is the German glass glitter, because that really catches the light, and I thought that looked really good for the flash. Then in my stash, I'd got these great big chunky clear acrylic hearts, and they fitted just perfectly on the heart on the center of the camera. So and that's obviously supposed to be the lens, so I've popped those on there, and then I just picked some red and black gems for the little lights on the camera either side. And then I've got these lovely little puffy stickers that I was sent in Happy Mail, so I popped them just down in the bottom of the camera there, just to finish them off. And I think they look really, really fun. They're quite bright and vibrant, you know, not your normal sort of pale reds and pinks. And you wouldn't necessarily just have to use those for Valentine's Day, but I just thought they went nicely because they'd got the little hearts on them. And then finally, I decided to have another play with some of the metal pieces that I got from BB Crafts in the big bag that I got from them. And I decided to embellish these and turn them into little embellishments. So I did 2 of each shape. I've done those 2, and I have done these 2. Love them, absolutely love these. I think they are so cute. So I've taken the actual metal piece, and with a gold Posca pen, I've just run around the edge of the piece, rubbed it back a little bit so it looks a little bit distressed, but it gives it that little kick of gold on the edge. And then I've left the centres bronze so that you've got that sort of difference between the colours. I have put a little cardboard disc in the centre, and then popped on top of that a heart sticker. Now these got sent to me in Happy Mail, so I don't know where these ones came from, but these ones are gorgeous. They've got glitter, and they look almost sort of enamelled. They're beautiful. These ones are slightly flatter, but they've got the lovely polka dots on, so I just thought they were really, really cute. I have then again taken a sentiment, so these have come from the ephemera, from the crepe paper ephemera. I've just cut them out and stuck them on, and obviously these ones have come from the Tim Holtz book. I've added underneath that some greenery that I've die cut, and then some handmade paper flowers, and on these bottom 2 I've added one of those cupped sequin flowers as well, with a little gemstone in the centre. And I've added a few little gems on these ones, sort of under the sentiments, and then on the slightly bigger ones I've popped some gems underneath the flower and just one up the top there. And then for all of them I made these super cute little dangles using some acrylic beads that I'd got in my stash, these little red acrylic beads. I think they were from the range, but again I've had them in my stash forever, and some little acrylic bicone beads that again they were sent to me in Happy Mail, and I've just made them with a little ball-ended head pin, and you're really simple. I've just threaded the heart and the 2 little bicones onto the ball-ended head pin, and then I've just wire wrapped it at the top there, and then added it with a little jump ring. And I think these ones are definitely my favourites. But I do think they're all cute, and they are, you know, they will all either get used or they will get gifted. So that is what I made for the month of February, all very festive for the Valentine season. There we go. And I really enjoyed it. They took one evening to make them all, which was nice because I was a bit short on time. I've been totally taken up with my crochet just lately. And I haven't actually been in the craft room all that much. I made a few cards because I've had a few birthday cards that I've had to make, so over the weekend I did those, and then yeah, just sat down last evening and had a look through what I'd got in my stash. You know, that wasn't going to take me forever, because that's the only thing with all the you know, the die cut embellishments. They're beautiful, but they do take ages because obviously you've got to die cut each element, and I like to die cut, you know, lots of different coloured pieces and paper piece it all, so it does take forever. Whereas these were really simple to put together. It was just, you know, combining elements that I'd already got in my stash and sort of pulling it all together into a theme. Like I say, it didn't take me long at all, probably 3 hours to do all of them, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. It was a really nice escape to just sit and glue things together. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at what I created. Don't forget to check out everybody else that is part of this collaboration. As always, the links will be in the description box below this video. Please leave me a comment and tell me which ones you like the best, and do you like this type of embellishment, or do you prefer the die cut type of embellishments that I quite often go with, or do you like to have a mix of all of it? It's really nice to get that interaction, and I will be back again very soon. I've got another collaboration on Sunday. It is the All Heart collaboration on Sunday, so don't forget that one. 1 day collaboration, and then I've got jewellery making fun next week on the 18th. So plenty to keep you coming back if you've enjoyed this content. Thank you so much for stopping around and watching my video. I'll see you all again very soon in another crafty video. Bye for now.